wake up in the morning, you hear the work bell ring, and I march you to the table. You see the same old thing, and a food up on the table, and the fork up in the pan, and you better not complain, boy. You get in trouble with the man. Let the midnight special shine a light on me. Let the midnight special shine a light on me. Let the midnight special shine a light on me. Let the midnight special shine a ever-loving light on me. Yonder come Miss Roses. How in the world did you know? By the way she wears her apron and the clothes she wore, umbrella on her shoulder, a piece of paper in her hand. She come to see the governor. She wants to free her man. Let the midnight special shine a light on me. Let the midnight special shine a light on me. Let the midnight special shine a light on me. Let the midnight special shine a ever-loving light on me. If you're ever in Houston, well, you better do it right. You better not gamble, and you better not fight at all. Well, the sheriff, he will grab you, and the boys bring you down. The next thing you know, boy, you're prison bound. Oh, let the midnight special shine a light on me. Let the midnight special shine a light on me. Let the midnight special shine a light on me. Let the midnight special shine a ever-loving light on me. Oh, let the midnight special shine a light on me. Let the midnight special shine a light on me. Let the midnight special shine a light on me. Oh, let the midnight special shine